Repeat. Functions. A function नहीं आना नहीं समझ में. A function which is both 1 1 and onto. Both 1 1 and onto.
1 and on.
1 1 and onto. Called a invertible function. Or another definition, a function f mapping A to B is said to be invertible if there exists another function G mapping B to A such that x equal to G of y. Hence G is called inverse of function f, and f is called invertible. So these are the two definitions of invertible functions. So one more definition is, if the function f is invertible if f composite function of G is equal to Iy and G composite function of f of x is equal to Ix, where Ix and Iy are identity functions in x and y. Okay, so we shall solve some example on invertible functions using first definition or second or third definition. So easier is the first definition, which we can easily identify the 1 1 and onto functions. See some examples. The first example, a function f mapping R to R given by f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible find f inverse of x. This is very important for 5 marks for theory part and also important for CET. So using the first definition, we have to prove this function is 1 1 and onto, then we find the inverse of function. Let for 1 1 function, how to check the 1 1 functions already we discussed in the earlier classes. So 1 1 function means the function where three images having different images, means different inputs has different outputs. Here different inputs having different outputs, that is called as the 1 1 functions. So here mathematically, so we take the x belongs to the function, x belongs to set A and f of x belongs to set B, then f is a function from A to B. So Assume that the f of x1 is the image of x1, f of x2 is the image of x2. To prove the one-one functions, consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then it must be prove x1 equal to x2. Means the same element x1 equal to x2 that having same image f of x1, f of x2. So f of x1 is here 4x1 plus 3 because f of x is 4x plus 3. So f of x1 is 4x1 plus 3. F of x2 4x2 plus 3. These 3 cancel. So 4x1 is equal to 4x2. 4 cancel. x1 equal to x2. Means same x1 equal to x2. The same element have same images. So function is 1 1. Now we go for onto functions. So onto functions, consider the f of x is equal to y. The definition of onto function also discussed in the earlier class. That is, every output should have an input. Means every image should have a pre-image. Mathematically, for every value of y, there should exist x in set A. That is R. A, B is R. A and B are R to R. For every y belongs to the real numbers, there exists R, x should belongs to real number. It means for every images have pre-images. Okay, that is our onto functions. So here f of x equal, assume f of x equal to y and prove that, find x, solve for x in terms of y and check for every y x belongs to R or not. F of x is 4x plus 3, that is equal to y. 4x is equal to y minus 3, then x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Now we are assigned some value of real number y minus 3 by 4, also a real number. So for every images, the implies their pre-images. So for every y belongs to R, x also belongs to R. Then function is onto. Now, hence function is both 1 1 and onto, so it is invertible. Hence function is invertible. Now we shall find the inverse of the function. Inverse of function. So I already know the definition of inverse of functions. That is f mapping A to B is a f mapping R to R is a function. G mapping R to R is another function. Such that x equal to g of y. So g is called inverse of the function. That is f of x equal to y. Then we exist another function, that is x equal to g of y. So write x value in terms of y. That is 4x plus 3 is equal to y. So x is equal to y minus 3 by 4, which is in terms of y. So this is of the form g of y. So g is called inverse of the function. So g of y is y minus 3 by 4, which is the inverse of the function.
F inverse.
F inverse. This is one example of invertible. This is the inverse of function, that is y minus 3 by 4. A function f mapping r plus 2 minus 4 comma infinity given by f of x equal to x square plus 4. Show that the function is invertible. And hence find the inverse. Find the inverse of the function. Same way we go again, we can prove the invertible functions by first definition, that is function should be 1 1 and onto. So 1 1 is Again same definition mathematically. Consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then must prove x1 equal to x2 for every x belongs to R plus. R plus is nothing but set of all non-negative real numbers. F of x1 is x1 square plus 4, f of x2 x2 square plus 4, because f of x is x square plus 4, so f of x1 x1 square plus 4. x1 square is equal to x2 square, so x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, but here x1 equal to x2 only, because x1 cannot be equal to minus x2 since x1 x2 belongs to real numbers, so minus x2 cannot belongs to positive real number, so that x1 is not equal to minus x2, only x1 equal to x2. So the function is 1 1. Since here you can take x that is r to r, so we put x positive real number here, and here what, minus 4 comma infinity, and we put 1, so we get 5, put 2, we get that is 4 plus 4 8, if you put 3, so 3 square 9 plus 4 13, so different inputs have different outputs, or different images have different images, so function is 1 1. Like this we find onto function. Same, consider f of x equal to y. So here the r plus, this is minus 4 comma infinity. So now we find the onto functions. It means the every real numbers which are belongs to minus 4 comma infinity, they should have inputs in r plus, in positive real numbers. So then mathematically f of x equal to y, so f of x is x square plus 4 equal to y, x square equal to y minus 4, x is equal to square root of y minus 4. Now try to put the value of y from the given set. In given that, sorry, it is plus 4 comma infinity. So put y equal to 4, 4 minus 4 0, which is real number, but it's positive real number. Put that is 5, 5 minus 4 1, positive real number. Put 6, y equal to 6, 6 minus 4 root 2, positive real number. Put y equal to 7, 7 minus 4 root 3, positive real numbers. So for every the y belongs to 4 comma infinity, x belongs to r plus. So the function is onto. It means for every y there exists x in r plus. Every images have 3 images in r plus. So the function is onto. Right? So for example, see, when you put y equal to suppose 4, so you get 0. 0 is there here. Put y equal to 5, we get this is 1. Put 6, we get root 2, 1.41, that is also there in r plus. So function is onto. So we write for all y belongs to 4 comma infinity, x also x belongs to r plus. It means every outputs have input, or every images has pre-images. So function is onto. So again this function is both 1 1 onto, so it is invertible. Function is invertible. Now the inverse of the function. Inverse of function. So we know inverse of function is y equal to f of x is a given function f. There exists a function g such that x is equal to g of y. So we have to determine from this x in terms of y, which is g of y, and g is called inverse of the function. So that is f of x equal to y. F of x is x square plus 4, which is equal to y. X square equal to y minus 4. X is equal to square root of y minus 4, which is the g of y, and this is called inverse of the function. Inverse of function. which is f inverse of y. We can write f inverse of x is equal to square root of x minus 4. So like this, on this sheet example will be asked like this. Finding f inverse of 3 will be asked. F inverse of 3 is root of f inverse of 3 does not f inverse of 30 if asked, that is root of 30 minus 4, root of 26. It can be asked f inverse of 5, so that is root of 5 minus 4, which is 1. So f inverse of suppose 6 can be asked. F inverse of 6 is root of 6 minus 4, that is root 2, etc. So this concept is important for CET also, to find the inverse of the function. These are two examples on invertible functions. Another two example I will give homework. So example for homework. First is a function f mapping n to y, where n is the natural number, n is set of all natural numbers, and y is the set of all y such that y equal to x square, where x belongs to n, given by f of x equal to x square. Show that f is invertible and find inverse f inverse of x. Second example, a function f mapping R to R given by f of x equal to 2x plus 7. Show that f is invertible and find the inverse. If any doubt, ask me.